Welcome to Roadster and Reviews, where we break down the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Ram ProMaster EV camper van, an electric revolution in the van life and commercial transport world. Whether you're a business owner, a road tripper, or a full-time van lifer, this van is designed to blend sustainability, power, and practicality like never before. Let's get into everything you need to know, from performance, charging, and range to design, features, and pricing. The 2025 Ram ProMaster EV is no slouch when it comes to performance. It's powered by a 200 kilowatt electric motor, pushing out an impressive 268 horsepower and 302 pound-feet of torque. With instant torque delivery, expect smooth acceleration and a more responsive drive than traditional gas-powered vans. Being front-wheel drive, it offers better traction on slippery surfaces, making it suitable for all kinds of driving conditions, from city streets to rugged back roads. One of the biggest concerns with electric vans is range, and Ram has addressed this well. The 110 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack is expected to deliver up to 164 miles on a full charge. A solid number for city driving and short to medium road trips, especially considering this figure accounts for carrying 50% of its max payload. When it comes to charging, the ProMaster EV supports Level 1 charging through a standard 120V home outlet, Level 2 charging through a 240V home or public station for faster replenishment, and DC fast charging of up to 150 kilowatts, which can add significant range in under an hour. This means whether you're parked at home, at a campsite, or on a road trip, there are plenty of ways to keep the battery topped up. Ram has taken practicality and versatility to a new level. The ProMaster EV comes in multiple configurations, including different roof heights and cargo lengths, allowing for custom camper builds or business use. Key design highlights include a high roof option with enough standing room for most people, a flat load floor for easy camper conversions, wide rear and sliding doors for easy access, an advanced digital cockpit with a new 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors. Inside, Ram has focused on ergonomics and connectivity, making it a modern and comfortable workspace or living space on wheels. While this isn't a sports car, expect strong off-the-line acceleration thanks to the instant torque of the electric motor. The low center of gravity from the battery placement helps improve stability, making it more agile than its gas-powered predecessor. The suspension has been tuned for a smooth ride, whether you're driving fully loaded for work or outfitted as a camper van. Now, let's talk numbers. The starting price for the cargo van model is $56,495, plus a $1,995 destination charge. This makes it competitively priced in the EV van market, especially considering the features and range. As for availability, the first units are expected to hit dealerships in Q2 2025. Pre-orders are open now, so if you're looking to get your hands on one for a camper conversion, it's best to act early. The 2025 Ram ProMaster EV is a game-changer for businesses and van lifers alike. It offers strong electric power and range, quick charging options, a spacious, camper-friendly design, and modern tech and safety features. If you're looking for a reliable, electric-powered van with the potential for incredible camper conversions, this might be one of the best options coming in 2025. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the leap into an electric camper van? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more EV reviews right here on Roadster and Reviews.